What's up everybody and welcome back. Today we're doing bacon, but not just any bacon. We are doing bacon candy, pig candy, billionaire's bacon, whatever you want to call it. It's super easy. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Literally need 3 ingredients and that's it. So first we're going to start off with some bacon. This is just some cheap thick cut bacon I bought. What we're going to do is we're just going to cut it in half. So now we got our bacon cut in half. We're just going to take some brown sugar. You can use dark brown, light brown, it doesn't matter. And some Cosmos Q honey chipotle killer bee. This stuff is the bomb. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna zoom you in here so you can see what I'm doing and I'll be right back. All right guys, we're gonna take our bacon. So we're just gonna separate all our pieces out. Then you're just gonna take some brown sugar and just spread it over all your bacon. And then just kind of rub it in. So then, after you got one side coated, you're gonna take your honey chipotle killer bee by Cosmos Q, and you're just gonna give it a light dusting. And then you're gonna repeat the process on the other side. So what you're going to do is just take one of these cooling bacon racks, whatever, and you're just going to line them up all in your rack here. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the pig candy ready to go. We're gonna get it out on the smoker. We're using the Pit Boss Austin XL today. We're gonna set it for 300 degrees and we're gonna let it go for about 10-15 minutes. Flip them, let them go for about another 10-15 minutes, and then they'll be done. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, you can see here that our pig candy, our billionaire's bacon, our bacon candy, whatever you want to call it, is done. Let's just recap what we did. We sliced our bacon in half, we coated both sides with brown sugar and honey chipotle killer bee from Cosmos Q. We threw it on our Pit Boss at 300 degrees, let it go for about 10-15 minutes, and then we flipped it and let it go for about another 10-15 minutes. We brought it inside, we let it cool down on our wire racks, then we transferred it over to some wax paper just to prevent the bacon from sticking to those wire racks. We threw it in the fridge for about a half hour and it's done. Let's see how we did. So you can see here that the bacon is standing up on its own. That's what you want. So let's give it a taste test. That's good. It's sweet. It's got a little kick from the honey chipotle. It's got some smoke flavor. All in all, it turned out pretty good. This is going to be a hit anywhere you go. Be sure to give it a try. If you like what you see here, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.